registers.
Okay. And we just roasted Jake Paul.
Yeah, let's go and mushed him like a goose.
My glass is broken in the process, but I don't even give a crap.
Yeah.
Because we're gonna get millions of dollars from that video. Oh!
Yeah.
And my glasses still have sway. Unboxing our diamond play button.
Our diamond play button, it already got right somehow, I don't know. Here,
Yeah.
can I eat it?
We only have 2 subs, but who cares? No, hey, let go of it. Okay, so sit down.
I'm sorry.
Sorry, this is a very hard video because it's really hard to open these. Try, dude. You can cut that out.
Oh my god.
You can cut that out, right?
You want me to?
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
Good diamond plaque. You know, you know what I'm feeling? More cheese balls. I mean diamond plaque.
a diamond plaque. Like, I'm gonna ask them to send me like 10 of these because they're like, oh. Look at them.
You're supposed to eat your diamond play buttons, right?
I
I don't really care.
I mean, try eating it for what?
I mean, like, they're edible. Yeah, but
The new trend, cheese balls.
the reason why we're eating these, you mean diamond plaque?
Yeah. But
The reason why
it tastes
we're
like
eating
cheese
our
balls.
diamond plaque is because it's shipped in the mail all into pieces. So, like, I don't eat them.
So we spray painted them orange
Yeah.
and call them.
And,
And it tastes like cheese balls.
and we had salt and we put orange food coloring in it and then poured it on these to make the, like,
Oh, yeah.
yeah.
Thank you guys for watching us. Bye.